Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy a Framer template to my account or to your account. So let's go straight into it. Now let's came to framer.com and search for the template. So how we do that, we go here at the top, middle, where you see resources, click on that, and then we select marketplace. Just like that, and we have here now the templates. So if you look at it, we have a bunch of options here. So you can also sort right here at the beginning, or you can just click templates and then search it right here. Now, as you can see, you have here some free options and the paid versions also. So for example, if we want for free, let's say this one, it will make a copy directly, so then just hit use for free and we will be here redirected right here into the edit Canva. It will take a few moments that loads up, and we are now in, and we can edit as we want the text, add different images and so on. Now what if you want the paid template here? So let me go back and find one paid version here. So let's say, for example, this one for $49. What you're going to do here is just click buy for $49. You will be redirected here where you will need to add your details, so your email, card or bank, Alipay, Cash App Pay, and so on, your card number, expiration date, security code, cardholder name, billing address, tax ID number, and so on. And then when you are done with that, just click pay $49, and now you will have this template in your portfolio on your Framer. And this is pretty much everything how you can copy a Framer template to your account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.